Ready to electrify your Los Santos experience with the ludicrous speed of a Tesla Plaid? First, head over to a reputable GTA 5 modding site like GTA 5 Mods.com. Always, and I mean always, download from trusted sources to avoid any unwanted digital surprises. In the search bar, type in Tesla Plaid. You'll see a variety of Plaid models available, so choose one that catches your eye. Look for high ratings and positive comments from other users. That is a great indicator. Once you've found your dream electric ride, locate the download button, usually prominently displayed on the page. Click it and save the file to a memorable location on your computer, like your desktop. Now, you'll need OpenIV, an essential tool for modding GTA 5 if you don't have it already. Download and install it, and make sure it's set up to work with your GTA 5 installation folder. Open OpenIV and navigate to the vehicle's replacement folder. The exact path might vary depending on the mod, but it's usually something like Grand Theft Auto V greater than mods greater than update greater than x64 greater than book packs greater than patched ANG greater than DLC RPF greater than x64 greater than levels greater than GTA 5 greater than vehicle serve. Be extra careful in this step. Then, extract the downloaded Tesla Plaid mod files. Most mods come with a README file that gives instructions of which files to replace, and where simply drag and drop the mod files into the vehicle serve folder within OpenIV. Make sure you are in edit mode. Launch GTA 5 and get ready to experience the electric thrill. If the mod replaces an existing vehicle, find that vehicle in-game, and bam, you have the Tesla Plaid. Now you can cruise around Los Santos in style.